Sharing lessons. Welcome, kids. Today we are going to learn correct word for an object. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's go. What is this thing? Is it a ball, bag, or a bar? What is this thing? Good. It's a bag. A nice bag. How about this one? Is it a cake, crib, or a car? It looks yummy. What is this thing? Correct! It's a cake! Mmm, yum! How about this one? A pin, pan, or a pen? What is this thing? Right! It's a pin! A push pin. This one. Bin. Bat. Bell. What is this thing? Correct. It's a bell. Ding 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 ding. This one. Spinning. A tip, top, tap. What is this thing? All right, it's a top. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Oh, it's moving. A fish, fin, or a fan? What is this thing? Right, it's a fish. Boop, 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 boop. This one. A gas, gift, or a gap? What is this thing? Correct! It's a gift! Wow! Oh, this one. A hot hat. What is this thing? Right! It's a hat! A pirate hat! How about this one? A log, leg, or a lap? What is this thing? Correct! It's a log. The beaver loves it. This one. Oh, it's crawling. A worm, web, or a wax? What is this thing? Right, it's a worm. How about this one? Tweet, 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 tweet. A book, a bird, or a bed? It's ready to fly. Very good. It's a bird. Toot, 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 toot. How about this one? A flower, a falls, or a fish? Smell good. All right, it's a flower. Wow. This one, oh, is it a squid, a spider, or a squash? What is this thing? Very good, it's a spider. Itsy bitsy spider, climb up the water spout. Oh, this one. Almond, avocado, or apple? What is this thing? It looks happy. Correct! It's an apple! How about this one? A mug, mat, or a map? Alright, it's a mug. You can put your coffee in it. This one. An ark, ant, or an art? What is this thing? Right, it's an ant. Yay! How about this one? It's flying. Is it a butterfly, a bubble, or a butter? What is this thing? What is it? Yeah, it's a butterfly. Flying high, flying low. Oh, there's another one. Is it an elf, an egg, or an elk? What is this thing? Right, it's an egg. How about this one? Is it a French, a freezer, or a feather? What is this thing? What is it? Oh, it's a feather. It's so light. How about this one? Is it a marble, a marker, or a Mars? What is this thing? What kind of ball is this? Yeah, it's a marble. Wow, we've answered it all. Good job. You did a great job today, kid. For now, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends.